Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, we made it. We finally made it to 500 subs, and I just appreciate everybody so much, and I want to thank everyone for getting me here and supporting my YouTube channel. I put a lot of effort in this channel, and I'm just thrilled that people appreciate it and come back to watch more because I know people's time is valuable, and I don't take it for granted. I want you to know that I do everything I can to make my videos engaging and enjoyable and educational and fun. So I really appreciate the support that you guys have given me. It's really, really awesome, and I thank you for it all. So I want to show you what I'm planning on using for my 500 sub giveaway. So let's take a look. Okay, well, the first thing I want to explain is that we're going to have 3 winners and 2 alternates. And the alternates will be there in case the winners don't qualify or don't respond to my email or to my response on the video in case I don't have their email. And so most of you are familiar with what the alternates are. But one of the good things about the alternates is they're going to win something too. So that's really cool. So let's go through, and I'll start from the bottom and work my way up. So each alternate is going to win 1/10 of an ounce of silver. These are pretty cool. These ones right here are from Monarch. I'll put it under the coin cam here in a minute. And so it's 1/10 of an ounce. And pretty cool. I like these a lot, these little Monarchs. I bought these when I was at the coin show when I met the international stacker over there. So let's go ahead and put it under the coin cam and see what it looks like under there. The train heading down the tracks, 999 fine silver, 1/10 troy ounce. And on the other side is the Monarch symbol, logo, Monarch Precious Metals. So each alternate's going to get one of these. They can either select this one, or I also have a different 1/10 of an ounce. It's kind of cool too. So this one says 1/10 of an ounce, 999 fine silver. And then the other side is the symbol for silver, AG47. And so that's pretty cool too. Tells the melting point of silver, and that's just a cool little round. So I want to make sure the alternates win something too. Most of the time they don't, so I'll plan to mail them out something as well. So that's the 2 alternates. They'll get one of these 2, not both, but one or the other. They can take their pick on which one they want. Pretty nice. Now the 3rd place winner is going to win this Mohawk Ironworkers set from the US Mint. And this is pretty cool. I like this a lot. It's got a dollar in there. You can see the dollar right there. The dollar coin. And then inside it, this is still factory fresh from the mint. We've got a dollar bill, and it starts with 911, 911 on it, and that's purposeful. They put that in here on purpose to start. All of them start with 911. So there's some details on it here, and it's got a nice little value to it. I like them a lot, and I thought somebody else might enjoy it too. So you get yourself a nice crisp dollar bill. It's got the 2013 series on it. Bring it up here a little bit, closer to the camera. And then we got this nice coin as well, dollar coin. So let me put this back here. We'll flip it over, see what's on the other side. The other side's got this side of the dollar coin. And then the dollar actually shows through on the back side here too. So again, this is 3rd place prize, and it comes in this little sleeve here. The camera's pretty close, kind of hard to see, but so that's 3rd place. 2nd place is going to be an American Silver Eagle, and everybody knows what these are. Pretty cool, very nice. This one I have in my hand as a 2015, but it's going to be a random date. It may be this one. I'm just going to pick one out of my pile, so it'll be a nice one. So pretty nice. Again, we all know what they look like, but still have to show it off. Just such a beautiful coin. And then finally, the first place prize is going to be one of my new Talking Bullion rounds. It's going to be 1.13 ounces, and it's going to be serial number 5 for 500. So if you've watched my previous video, you've seen these, but this is my first one I'm giving away. So the lucky winner is going to get the first ever giveaway of a Talking Bullion round. And you can see here, it was made by Backyard Bullion, BYB 999, and we all have the hallmarks on it. So this is really awesome, folks. I got these in the mail last week, planning to give them away. But you know what? I'm having a hard time giving them away. These things are so awesome. I love them so much. That thing is just really, really cool. But I want to make sure I appreciate my 500 subs and give them something nice, something that means something to me. And this means a lot to me, and hopefully it'll mean a lot to you. So also with that, it's going to come the C of A with it. So you'll get this together. Talking Bullion Channel Round, 1.13 ounces Troy, 999 fine silver, hallmarked in Edinburgh. You know, I just really think this is cool that these came from the UK. Serial number 5. And give Backyard Bullion a little bit of love here because he does such a great job. Certificate of authenticity. So made in, you can read it yourself, but you know, finishes up with made in the UK. So something you can tell your friends and family and kids about how far this little round made of pure silver traveled to make it to your home. Because it's done some international travel. It's done more international traveling than I have, let me tell you. So let me flip this back over. Got the C of A. Got the round. Talking Bullion. 1.13 ounces Troy. 005. So that's cool. I hope you guys appreciate that. So let me see if I can get all this on the screen. This is going to be the first place. Probably have to put the card up a little bit to make everything fit. So that'll be first place. Second place is going to be an American Silver Eagle. Third place is going to be this dollar bill and dollar coin from the US Mint. I'm not going to get that on there very well. Let me try lifting it up maybe a little bit. That'll help a little bit. So you'll get that. And then the alternates are going to get 1/10 of an ounce. So one of those. So awesome. That's it for now. I just wanted to announce my 500 subscriber giveaway. Let you guys know how much I really appreciate you watching my videos. And I'll go ahead and leave this out there till next Friday, December 14th. And give people, you know, almost a week to make comments on this video. Good luck, and I hope you win. So let's take a couple minutes to explain the rules. The rules are, you need to like this video. You need to be a public subscriber. I need to be able to verify that you have subscribed to my channel, and you need to make a comment. So make a comment on this video. Only one comment will be chosen, so multiple comments won't be necessary. And I would appreciate if you would read the description of the video of all the rules. So it's important to note that YouTube does not sponsor this giveaway in any way. This is solely sponsored by myself, and all rights are reserved. So enjoy the giveaway, and I want to thank you again for being a subscriber. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.